launching Mumbai's first mega growth housing scheme. The Great Western Mumbai, Naigaon. Tallest 35-story towers in the vicinity. Retail arcades. Grand entrance gate, which gives you luxury feelings. Open green space for fresh air and relaxation. Double height entrance lobby. High-speed elevators. Smart living and dining space. Smart kitchen. Master bedroom. Guest bedroom. Now let's talk about amenities. 80 plus amenities are there. Basketball court to enhance muscle strength. Open air gymnasium for daily exercise. Yoga and meditation zone. Poolside juice bar. Swimming pool that keeps your mind sharp. Gymnasium for health benefits. Banquet hall, the heart of your celebrations. Cafeteria. Meeting rooms. VR zone. Golf simulator. Badminton court. Cricket pitch. Futsal and volleyball court. Tennis court. Kids play area. Amphitheater for get-together. Skating rink to improve your skills. Completely luxurious vibes. Rooftop party lawn to chill with your friends. Stargazing deck. Terrace pergola. Open air theater. Luxury crafted for the perfect location. Redefining skylines. Redefining life with the house of Abhinandan Lodha. Book now, details are in descriptions.